Is a painful injury keeping you on the sidelines? Were you forced to give up the sport you love because of a hurt knee or shoulder? Are you worried you'll have to rely on medications, injections, or even surgery to finally fix your pain? If this sounds familiar, I'm here to offer you a different option. My name is Dr. Amanda Zariello, President of Restore Physical Therapy. It's our mission to help active adults and athletes get back to the pursuits they love without the use of pain medications, injections, or surgery. Many of our patients have been told by other professionals that they must give up their favorite activities permanently. Others have hit a plateau in their therapy and feel stuck. For some, getting back to the pursuits they love can feel impossible, but it doesn't have to be this way. At Restore PT, our expert team will diagnose the problem, determine the root cause of the pain, and then most importantly, design a step-by-step plan to get you back to your favorite activities, whether it's achieving a new PR at the gym, playing outside with your grandkids, or winning that intramural volleyball championship. Here's what I would like you to do next. Click on one of our ebooks below. It'll give you tips to start treating yourself immediately. Then, when you're ready, fill out our brief questionnaire so we can get you on your road to recovery. Finally, pick up the phone and give us a call. We're happy to offer free phone consultations and free discovery sessions to see if Restore is the right fit for you. You owe it to yourself to take the first step. Medications, injections, and surgery are not the only option. Call Restore PT, and together, we'll figure out a plan to get you back in the game.